need to replace that. It's not good. The others are good. Okay, let's do it. So this is what I bought from Home Depot. Hunter PGP. It's about $21 for two. It's a twin pack. So it's about $11. That's good enough. $10.50. PGP ADJ to replace the sprinkler head. So let's do it now. Okay. So let's have some space. Remove some of the dirt. Okay. That should be enough space. I'll show you. There. Okay. I can either just retain the housing, this one, and remove this, but I might as well replace the whole thing. So in this case, I have to really clean this up. Let's do it. Have more space. I'm not wearing gloves, but good thing the soil is soft because it rained yesterday, so that's why. No, it's now my chance to change it. Almost there, almost at the bottom. Now wipe a little bit. Now I can see it. See that? You can see the connection, and I will just remove it. I can feel the rain again, so we have to hurry up. Okay, we can use this. There. Okay, see that? I have to put this right away. I did not put any Teflon anymore. Let's see. Looks easy, but of course you have to clean up something. Maybe that's what makes it difficult. Okay. Now it's raining. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is only. Okay, looking good. There. That's the one I installed. I will just adjust things in here, but let's see. So now it's time to put everything back. And we have to make this straight, so I'm gonna do this side first. It's lightning. I had to hurry up. You hear that? Ooh. Thunder and lightning. So now that I have positioned this, put everything back, I'm gonna adjust this direction, the nozzle, and the rotation. So let's put it here. Now, to adjust this, I have to, the easiest way for me to adjust this is take this out. Yeah, there. so you can see it. Okay. Okay. So now that I've removed this, I have to rotate this clockwise all the way when it stops. So this is counterclockwise. Oop, yeah, clockwise until it stops. Oops, because this is counterclockwise. There. But now I'm rotating this cap clockwise, then this will just follow. So I have to put this all the way clockwise until it stops. There you go. So now, just clean this. When I put this back, this is my nozzle. When I put this back, I want this to be in pointing to the direction I want it to be. So in this case, I want it to be just like that. Okay. Let's see. I want it that way a little bit more. So you just cannot rotate it because there is a ridge here that takes. There's a ridge here that takes this gear-like teeth or tooth. So I have to adjust. Lift it up again. Let's see. No. Oh, there you go. It's pointing that way. Somewhere a little bit here. So I'm gonna lift it up and then just rotate a little bit. Now it is pointing to where I want it to be. So now I can just see it doesn't follow me. So that's it. That's so easy to fix. Change the direction. Now let's see the rotation. I want this to be this direction, pointing that. It's like yeah. Let's see. Oh, I have to adjust it more. No, I think it's good. It goes straight. So I think we're good. Perfect. Let's test it. So I'm turning my sprinkler on to, let's put it 2 minutes. Oops, no, sorry. 2 minutes. And then, okay, let's go. Now we can know right away. There you go. Perfect. It goes up to there. Let's see to the side. Oh, that's exactly where I want it. Again. Again. Perfect. This is the nozzle. You adjust with this key, provided key, and this metal. You rotate it counterclockwise. You hold this one counterclockwise to have a farther throw, a longer throw. And then, just like any other faucet, when you want to turn off the faucet, you rotate it clockwise. In this case, it will be shorter throw. So clockwise is shorter, counterclockwise is longer. This is the arc. You use this end and you rotate clockwise to, no, this is not the arc, this is the circumference or the rotation. To increase the rotation, you use this and increase and do clockwise. And counterclockwise is to decrease the rotation. But you can only do that by putting this all the way to its stop position, which is, it stops on when you rotate it clockwise. Now, so now you can adjust this one. You just find it. So if you rotate it counterclockwise, now you can see it stops there. But don't adjust it while it's on the adjustable side. You have to put it back here and then hold it. If I rotate it more counterclockwise, then I increase the rotation. Look, now it's all the way here. If I want to decrease it, first of all, I cannot rotate it anymore. If I in the middle, I cannot rotate it back. I have to go all the way to the stop position. Now, if I want to make it narrow, I have to adjust, rotate counterclockwise. See, it's only up to here. This is the other one. This one is to pull the head. I insert it and then pull.